innovative or whatever.
Starting with the milk preparation. Okay. What if I forgot to bring brushes? The under eye thing, I love doing that one. This is like mask at that time, and she was wearing a mask, a cherry on her mask. Fine, because Thai people have like really weird nicknames.
Our outfits are done.
I don't even know how to say. No, where is it from?
Ross, Target, and this was yours, but it says Forever 21.
Oh yeah. I forgot. This is from arousal.com. COS, C-O-S. Yeah, you know those bags. You know.
Yeah.
Target, Twinning.
Yeah.
This is from Emo. I don't know how to spell that name, but it's like E-O-M-A-L. Yeah.
You get it. But now, are we still gonna go first wash?
We don't have to. We don't have to.
Cause IKEA has food.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. So I
We can go straight to IKEA. All right, we're gonna be going straight to IKEA. So I will be filming in the car, but Natcha will be recording because I'm not recording and driving. I am a safe driver. So we'll meet you guys in the car.
POV, we're going on the highway. What?
Turn left. Then turn
OMG.
right.
OMG, we made it.
Turn right.
IKEA.
We made it, you guys. Facts. Wow, and no one's here. Perfect. We're not here for any furniture. We're just here for
Men who know how to build furniture in a house. That's what I'm looking for.
but also like inspiration for future us. You know what I mean? So
Oh my god, I love gray couches. Wait, this couch is so cute. Wait, it's so cute. It's so cute. Wow.
yeah. See, I like that setup, not gonna lie.
I like this couch. Is this the same but different colors? Wait, this one no, it's more stiff. You know?
Mm-hmm.
Wait, I like this,
Oh yeah.
but not this.
There's like one setup in here that I like absolutely loved. Wait, I kind of like this.
Yeah. I always wanted a bed like where it's like on top and then
It's only $149.
damn! Where were you? My job.
Damn. MTV cribs.
Oh, me? Of course I could be your future housewife, right? Let me just make something for you real quick. Oh my god.
Nope.
Oh my goodness.
I like how like it's so like small over here.
This is the same room I took pictures of Peace. We could recreate the pic.
What?
This is the room where we were like, oh, let's take selfie mirror, selfie mirror. Oh wait, hold on.
I like that. Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Oh, do you want to go picture here? Candid one. Like we're outside.
There's literally like no one here, which is great because this is a nice
Just
like.
us. Just. I mean, where are thou, our home building Romeos? Obviously, they're not here. Obviously not. Oh, this one is cute.
Oh yeah.
I like this setup.
It's a nice cute setup. Wow.
Future home.
Modern.
JK, I mean, what are you talking about? That is my kitchen. Like, not this one. Not this one. But the other one. No, this one is my kitchen too.
Oh, that one's so cute.
Wait, this one, it was the coffee. The coffee.
Wait, I would want this.
Oh my god.
Like
this one is one of the cutest.
Oh.
What the heck? Oh, okay. Just figuring out how to open things.
Right, for the future. I like this. Oh, this is perfect for you.
Oh, this one really doesn't open. But yeah, iPad stand.
This is your kitchen.
Oh my gosh, guys.
I think I'd want this one. This one I like.
Oh my god, the left side is totally you with all your kids.
Oh yeah. Like this would be so good for like baking videos, you know what I mean?
Oh my god.
Boom. Hey guys, welcome back to another cooking video. This is so cute. I actually do need this. But watch out for future cooking videos and baking videos because I'm gonna be on that.
Yeah,
Best believe.
Foreshadowing.
Yes.
Foreshadow. Just like the hyphen. Just like the hyphen meme. Wow. Black kitchen. You know what? My man will have this type of kitchen. My man. We're gonna. Because you know why? You know why. But yeah, this would be my man's kitchen. Anyways. Yeah. I wonder why.
Probably because it's
vacation. Nobody want a vacation in IKEA. No, they're at Disney.
well, everyone's at the mall.
Or wait, oh, yeah, what I meant.
Not us though.
Because we are so quirky, like.
Yes. We like looking at furniture for fun.
Duh. We are so low maintenance. So low maintenance.
Imagine we actually bought stuff.
What would we buy?
Yeah, that is cute.
All of our friends. All of our friends can sit here.
Exactly. We're actually manifesting our
We're
future.
manifesting our mansion. You know, just like we could fit this whole thing in our mansion. You know?
Exactly.
Well, mine will be pink. Like, oh, this room is cool.
Oh yeah.
Wait, the bathroom. Whoa, why do I like it? Oh my god.
Ooh.
Oh my god.
Ooh. Wait, that
Whoa.
is the bathroom.
Whoa, pan the camera around. What the hell? What the
Wait, this is so cute.
Oh, I need this as my closet. Drawers?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. For only 1,561. That's like basically an iPhone. Oh, I almost ran into myself, but oh my god, big mirror.
Wow.
OOTD again.
Wow.
OOTD again.
Mhm.
This is useful in every way possible. Oh my god, IKEA, we already know what the hell I'm about.
Oh.
I'm just strong like that, but oh my god, I'm buying this for myself. Just later. What would we buy? Just later. See this? This is my boyfriend's setup. My boyfriend's setup right here. We know my type, don't we? God. Mean what I said.
You gotta be studious like that.
Okay, P-O freaking V. This is why I need this.
Breakfast in bed.
Oh my god, it's glued on. But it's squishy. Okay, next time. Too invested.
Wait, this is so
Wait,
cute.
this is my kitchen.
Guys, this is so cute.
This is so my aesthetic right here, right now. Welcome to my fridge. Look, even a cute fridge. Okay, why would I want this? Okay,
Wait, that's good storage.
Okay. Anyways, for I don't even know how much. Honestly, I can't read price tags. Oh, it's right here. Wow. I would invest. IKEA hire me as a sponsor. Why? This would be my kitchen. Hello. What is?
Damn.
Damn. Get. No, I'm just kidding, but this is cute too.
That is cute.
Not for $23. But you know,
You can DIY that.
now I know what my kitchen setup
Yes.
embodies. All right, next. The shower is low-key iconic.
Ow. There you
Oh my god, this is my fault. But oh my god.
go.
Oh
Wow.
my god, not again. Not again. Oh my god. Why are you still here? Oh my goodness. Wait, that's so cute.
I like this.
Wait, that is cute.
Right.
Wait, does it open or is it just okay?
I don't think
I'm
so.
not gonna try.
I tried moving it.
Wow. Panda. I used to want this type of beds.
Hey, I have that type of bed.
Yeah.
Hey, it's pretty solid. It's a pretty solid bed.
Wait, I'm lost now. Oh, we fold it.
Yes. No, because I saw that setup and I was like, that's everything.
Ooh.
Bro, no,
My boyfriend set up for real. No, this is the gamer toxic type, but I would totally be in his room. Like, serious and sexy. Sexy. Look, he even organizes dog accessories in his closet. Yes. Goodness, even the flowers. Wow. Real.
it's so cute.
Honestly, there's so many mirrors. They just name it a bunch of different things.
Right.
I'm not gonna butcher it though. Oh my god! Oh my god, for accessories! Oh my god, that is sexy. And there's even another section. Hey, there is no excuse to not buy me these many rings to store.
For real. I like the shoe boxes. I don't know
Oh
why.
yeah, that's cute too. Okay. This, forget about the other wooden one. This is beautiful. Okay, wait. And it's cute. Coloring. Guys, psych about the other one, I lied. I want this one. There's no price tag though. No, this
Oh, that
bed.
one's cute.
This was the bed I wanted.
That one's cute.
Dang. Wow.
Wow. Okay, I will stop recording as of right now, and then we'll probably be eating next. Oh, great timing. Wow.
11:11 right now. It's 11:11 right now.
Okay, now we for real gotta eat, so BRB.
Wow.
Yay, we have our food.
First meal of the day.
Yes.
Strawberries and the iconic Swedish meatballs.
And then I got the lemon cod. a Buddy Fruits veggies, and a cinnamon roll. I needed to have a balanced diet, so then I got this.
So balanced. Oh my goodness. Wow, strawberry so good. Mom. Is it that good? Oh my god. Oh, mine even has black. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Why did I need this? I didn't know but I needed this.
Oh, I should have. Whoops. LOL.
Oh my god. That's just good. Oh my god. Maybe.
We finished eating.
Wow.
It was a solid 10 out of 10.
Rating. Actually, yeah, I think that was good.
Right. It's pretty solid. Now we're. Hey, that's what I have.
Stop, I was gonna say this one's so cute.
Yeah, I got that one.
Alright everyone, since Marielle is driving, I will be updating. So, we're done with IKEA and we each got stuff. I think we'll do a collective haul if we do have a big haul at the end or something. My plan is not to freaking shop, but next we're going to the Orlando outlet. Now, temptations are very high. Like, I'm not supposed to be shopping, but you know, like, whatever happens, happens, I guess, at this point. I just know I want Starbucks, so, yeah, but. What'd you say? What did you say?
Manifesting that there are actually cute guys because I'm sick and tired of not seeing any cute guys.
Real, like, where are y'all at, bro? Where are y'all at? Like, I know it's hot girl summer and that's what we're on right now, but I'm just saying. Just saying. I mean, cuddle season will be after summer. You know, like, oh wait, no, autumn and then winter, right? Whatever. Those seasons are cuddle seasons, bro. Like,
Yeah,
what?
cuddle in autumn.
What? Trying to have matching cute costumes, couple costumes. I'm trying to make gingerbread house competition making. Where are y'all?
Yeah.
Why are you guys so not fun? Like,
Yeah.
I mean, we're not really trying to find y'all because we don't need you.
Yeah.
But it's just like, you know, like, oh, LOL, we just happen to be here. Oh my.
Right.
At the same time. Anyways, bye.
We have made it to the outlet, you guys. We made it.
Wow.
It is hot. It's very hot.
Because it's
And humid.
Florida.
Yeah. And it rained like a good couple hours ago. So
Wow.
it's
still gloomy.
yeah. It's
Or-
even hotter.
I don't even know what this type of weather feeling is.
But we've made it.
You really want to get Starbucks?
Same.
Really want them to make me a good matcha. Try something.
Good thing put on sunscreen because
See, yeah, don't forget sunscreen. Everybody needs to wear it.
for real.
50 SPS or above.
Exactly. So yeah. We'll see you guys in a little bit.
Boop, boop.
We made it into Victoria's Secret.
LOL. We're looking at jackets because I reminded her that she needed one or something. Why is the camera a little wonky? Oh, LOL. But yeah. I guess she's into gray. Me voiceover. Like
I want a zip up jacket.
this. Look, it's right here. But it's purple. Okay, dang. Okay, dang.
I need it for like lounge wear. when it's cold. Wait, this is kind of cute.
Oh my god, butterfly tattoo. Hashtag she's so toxic. Oh my goodness.
There is purpose behind it. If there's a black zip-up, that will be honestly even better.
As if she didn't have enough black things in her closet already.
Hey, I don't have any black jackets. I'm just saying.
Oh my god.
Must be a sign, because there's none.
Not even sweatpants?
I already have sweatpants. I have gray ones already. They'll try me and get me into buying more shit.
LOL. That wasn't my thing, but we could be M&M's.
JK, I don't like it because there's tie-dye on it.
Yeah.
Good save.
Honestly, yeah, zip-up one would be cute of these. Anyways.
Hand it back over.
Are you saying me this is like 2 for 10? That's right, like as in like top and bottom. So that for 10 or.
Alright.
I just want to find
Starbucks? Okay. This way.
I think I will keep it. Oh, Ralph Lauren is right there. All right. All right, guys. My mission is to find stuff mainly for my mom. If there is like a good fucking deal, you know. If there's not, then fuck, maybe, I don't know. Actually, maybe shoes. I don't know.
Right. I think that's my goal. Looking for shoes. Yeah.
Oh my god. I think that's what my mom's talking about. Sometimes like they'll have like weird deals here for luxury stuff and then like sell it back in Thailand or something. But I won't be doing that. I'll give it to like my mom, you know, like because that's illegal.
Right.
I don't do that.
Right.
I'll be free. That's you.
We will BRB until we actually find
LOL.
Starbucks.
We're at Kate Spade's right now, and we might be spending money. I don't know.
We might
Here's
be.
the shoes Marielle's trying on.
They look so cute. And I
Yeah.
needed new shoes anyway.
Oh, LOL.
Oh, stop. They fit so good.
They wet?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Spades. That's so
Stop
cute!
I don't know. I'm being realistic. I don't know if I'd buy like anything else because I only wanted. Hey you guys, I caved and I bought the shoes. Now we're on our way to Victoria's Secret because Natcha wants to check out some stuff. We will be going back to Kate Spade.
Because I remember I saw Polo Ralph Lauren when we were walking.
But yeah, bought the shoes. I don't regret it. They look so cute.
I fully support the decision. Oh, it's right there, yeah.
Oh, okay. And then when we went to Starbucks, which I got an iced chai tea latte and Natcha got a strawberry
matcha.
Yes. Shout out to the Starbucks worker who was so down to subscribe.
She's so cute.
She was so sweet. She saw my camera, which by the way, you can like barely see it.
We weren't even recording.
Yeah. You could barely see it in my bag. And she was like, oh, are you a YouTuber? And I was like, oh, well, like I'm starting to be one. And she was like so supportive. So.
Hi, welcome.
Hello. No, but yeah, so shout out to her. She was so sweet. Literally wrote down my channel name. So if you're watching this, a lot of love to you. So yeah, we're now at Hollow Ralph Lauren. And the store's pretty cute. I like Ralph Lauren's like teddy bear stuff. It's really cute. But yeah. Like this stuff, it's really cute. But yeah, I'm not gonna be spending any more money other than food because we have KBBQ planned after this and we're planning to be here like almost the entire day. So yeah.
Bought my first Polo Ralph Lauren for my mom.
We're dropping a good amount of money right now. But you know what? That's okay. Self-care type of day. Alright, you guys. No, I didn't. We are back after a very long...
After a sweaty walk.
We spent a good amount of money today. But... There were deals. So... we both bought Kate Spade and Calvin Klein. And there was, and Rumi Life. We also, or Rummy Life. We also bought stuff there.
Twin.
Yes. One of the things I got though was this cute little keychain. Cause
That you're using right now.
yes, because my dad's been bugging me about getting a keychain for my car keys ever since I locked myself out. So
Yeah, and I'm using my Kate Spade wallet because I wanted a new wallet because this one was getting old. I mean, it's not ruined or anything.
yes.
Obviously, you can tell I like pink, but this one's way cuter and obviously holds a lot more too. So
Yes. So we will do an overall haul back at home, but now we're going to Ichiban sushi and Korean barbecue. So we'll be going there, and then don't know if we're going to get like ice cream or something afterwards, but after that we'll be heading home. And it is currently basically 3:25-ish, 3:20.
wow, we're really using our day.
Yeah, so we'll catch you guys at Ichiban.
So inconvenient of these.
Hey you guys, we are back at the house. My camera died at the end of the Korean barbecue, and we were at a cafe and we got some food. I'll try and put it up right here. My friend got a mango bingsu. I got a strawberry matcha latte, iced strawberry matcha latte, and then I also got like a frozen fish ice cream sandwich type of thing, and then we got a locket. The place, Ichiban, has like lockets for like friendships or like, you know, lovers type of thing, but then you can connect it to like the railing. I don't know if you could see it in the background of the photo that I put for our food, but yeah, we could have done that, but then we didn't because it actually looked a lot more cuter. My friend's keeping it on her bag as like a keychain type of thing, so it's pretty cute. Here is a haul of everything we got. Well, more of what I got. So first, I have a Calvin Klein bucket hat. It was a deal. It was on sale. It was originally like $40 something, I think, and then it was like, I can't remember. There was a percent off. In the end, it was like 21 something. And then at Reimu Life, it was a buy two get one free deal, so I got 3 things. I got a bento box because I don't have anything for lunch wise, so I needed to get something, and it was not that bad of a price, so I was like, okay. And then I got a natural rose thingy soothing gel. Why not? And then I showed you guys already this, and then I got a keychain for my car, and it's a little bunny, and then the little keychain is like, it's like a milk candy, and then the handle itself is this. It's pretty cute. And now it holds all my keys and keychains, and I needed this honestly for the longest time because I got locked out of my car because my car is kind of like funky and she like auto locks really quickly at random times. So that was the story. And at Kate Spade, I bought the shoes with spades on them. Oh, they're super cute. And I'm actually gonna change out the laces to be black. They look so much more cuter when the laces are black. My friend and I, she bought me, both of us, these cute Cade earrings that are spades. So now we have matching earrings that are spades, and they match with my shoes, which this is like the first time where I've actually like spent stuff on like, I guess like a luxury, I would say it's, you know, a brand name. So this is the first time I've actually like done that since I had like money from like graduation. So yeah, an umbrella because I have a really big umbrella in my car and it's just really such a pain to carry around. So I probably should have looked closer at the things because the package, this thing is like a little broken, but that's fine. I don't mind. Anyways, I got an umbrella because you know how Florida weather is. And then I got a cute little lantern thing. So my uncle's room, the guest rooms have like a remote for the lights and stuff, but I don't. So it's kind of annoying having to like at night, like when I'm in bed and I'm like literally about to fall asleep, have to get up, turn off the lights and then go. So I just thought, you know what, why not have this? Have the lights off, have this on, and then I'm good. So I'm just gonna be having this. And also, it's super cute and I might put something in here. I don't know what yet, but I have a lot of small little intricate things I can put it in, because this is a cute little door and I could just pop something in. It was for $10. I'm pretty sure that is everything we had. Korean barbecue was great. I really suggest going to Ichiban. I think it's really good. Granted, I haven't been around in the area for like a while. It's been like literally a couple days. So I don't know the area that well, but I highly suggest Ichiban. I really suggest them. I feel like that is everything. It felt like a lot in the moment. I think that's it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, chaotic vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, hit the notification bell. Yeah, if you guys have any recommendations on places to go in Orlando, put them in the comments, because even though I've been in Florida for like majority of my life, I still like haven't explored Orlando, you know what I mean? I'm open to whatever, as long as it's not too expensive, I'm just saying, or like the route isn't too difficult. Shout out to that Starbucks worker, much love to you. If you're going to Premium Outlets Mall, Orlando Mall, definitely go to Starbucks. So yeah, shout out to her. I already said this, but like, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.